million question, how do I go viral on TikTok? That'll be answered in this video with a few different things you should be doing in all of your videos to go viral. I want to try to rewire your brain in the way that you look at social media, the way you look at content. That way this information can actually be utilized and you can actually implement this stuff. Coming from somebody who's literally done millions and millions and millions of views on accounts that have generated no sales, no money, but I also have accounts that have done way less views but have made me more money. I'm picking the account that has made me more money. So before I can show you the examples and the different things you can be doing in your videos to up the chances you go viral, you got to understand why a video gets pushed, what TikTok looks at, a bunch of different factors. I've got them labeled here and we're going to go down the list. The first one, average watch time. If you are not familiar with average watch time, I would say it's probably the most essential thing when it comes to how well a video performs. TikTok wants more people on the platform. So if you post a video that's 30 seconds long and the average watch time is, let's say, 15 seconds, and then the watched full video rate is 20%, that video is going to perform better than if a video is the exact same, 30 seconds long, but the average watch time is 2 seconds. But that in and of itself can tell you more about the video than literally anything. So average watch time, if you don't understand that, try to develop the most complex understanding of how that works. And then completion rate, I kind of just talked about that. Rewatches, obviously if you're scrolling and you see a video that's interesting and you watched it a few times, that is going to push the video to more people. Keeping users on the platform, that's what TikTok wants. Comments are huge. Saves are another one. Likes. So when people talk about engagement, that is another like huge factor when it comes to how well a video performs, because the way I like try to explain it to creators is if there's 100 different things that make a video 100 out of 100, each one of these things have their own weight. And then I got the rest of this being TikTok shop related. You got the product clicks, add to cart, purchases, follows, whatever is going to send to the algorithm or tell TikTok, hey, this video right here, a lot of people are interested in this product or this style of video. Let's just send it to more people. And on top of that, the reason I highlighted it green is because with TikTok Shop, you essentially have brands that are putting money behind the videos to kind of boost it organically with GMV Max. So it's almost easier, if I'm being honest, to go viral with TikTok Shop. And that is what we are going to cover. We're covering TikTok Shop strategies and ways to generate income, because if you're going viral for views and you're not trying to monetize it, make money from it, then, you know, I mean, I guess the only other reason you'd be doing that, I guess, is for entertainment. But most people want to make more money. Most people want more opportunity. And I'm going to show you how to monetize it. So the first method anybody can use is putting celebrities in your freaking hooks. This is literally like the best thing you can do if you are somebody that's new, that doesn't understand maybe the psychology on how you can use your words to sell people. Maybe you don't understand how to clip videos efficiently, or you don't understand what grabs people's attention yet. Putting a celebrity in your hook is the best thing you can do, because it does a couple things. Number one, the authority behind it. Number two, more people know who that celebrity is than they know who you are. And people like seeing people that they know on their For You page or on their phone or social media. So let's go through this example and let's walk through how we made this work. This is a video that generated, I don't even know, $30,000, $40,000 in sales, and I think it's still climbing. Let's check this out.
Guys looking good.
He's got Christian Bale and I can't think of the other dude's name, but he's got two celebrities, and then he's selling a shirt, and then he uses celebrities as the example to show the viewer, hey, this actually has some merit, this has some weight to what he's saying or what claims he's making. And the best part about this is, I'm not going to cover it too much in this video, but you can literally use AI to throw a shirt on a celebrity. Or in Titans, we've done where you make a celebrity's teeth like real yellow, and then talk about like a teeth whitening product. Throw celebrities in your freaking hooks and then tie it back to your video. I'm not going to watch the full video. If you guys want the spreadsheet, you can comment down below and say, yo, send me the spreadsheet or something. I might add that to the description if enough people want it. The next one, anticipation buildup. So we talked about watch time and how important watch time is, watch full video rate. With the anticipation buildup, that is essentially what you are doing. So you're trying to build up enough anticipation where people want to keep watching. A lot of times people can do this with like acronyms. Acronyms is a huge one, even if it's like a fake acronym. I'm gonna go ahead and play this video to kind of explain how the anticipation and buildup worked in this video. So this video did, I think, 300 some thousand views roughly. 4 videos for you to watch. 2 of them's real people, 2 of them's fake AI generated. And I want you to tell me which one you think is real and fake. Okay, so that hook right there, in and of itself, I start off the video saying, I'm gonna show you 4 videos, and then you tell me which one you think is real and which one you think's fake. So people are gonna continue watching the video if it sparks their interest. And clearly it sparked interest because the video did really well. Got a lot of saves, a lot of shares even. So I also said, send this video to anybody who was born before 1999 and they'll fail the test. So I kind of call them out, maybe cause some controversy, which I believe this actually did, which is really good. Good controversy because that helps push it to the algorithm more. I mean, look at the saves, look at the shares. But this video did really good watch time because I built up what I was gonna show them. Now it's gotta spark somebody's interest. They gotta find it interesting enough to actually want to keep watching, but just a little build up like that. If I started off the video saying, look at these videos, bam, and then show the videos aren't going to perform. The video wouldn't have performed as well as it did. So anticipation buildup is really, really big. Well, people reach a certain point where they've given up so much time to something, they would rather commit to the end than scrolling past the video. Psychologically and deep down, they don't want to feel like they just wasted a minute of their time watching this guy who never got to the point. The anticipation buildup. Next, the reply videos. I've talked a lot about reply videos on this channel, whether it be the slideshow methods, and how you can utilize replies, but replies, they're so important because they do a lot. One of the main things it does is it gives you a really good hook on the videos. Another thing it does is if somebody commented on a previous video that you've made and you make a reply video to it, TikTok knows the type of person that commented on the video that you're replying to. It understands the lookalike audiences, it understands the type of person that watched the first video, and it's going to automatically boost that video and push it to those types of people because there's already data on the video. So let's go through and watch some examples.
That's essentially what you're doing when you're taking it, obviously.
So, in this video, obviously you can't come out and say on TikTok Shop, yo, just smoke, you know what, because of violations. But he replied to a comment and he didn't say anything about it. He just kind of pointed up to it and the video did really well. I think he made a lot of money with this video. And then you go on to talk about the product. Let's go to another one. This is one of Raven's best videos, a reply video, but what happens when you take them off? And then she explains it. TikTok already knows who to send the video to because it's a reply video. Next, controversy. This is huge. Controversy is everywhere on social media for a reason. People love controversy. It's just ingrained into humans. I don't know. Okay, so this video right here, I've talked about this particular video a few times in past videos I've made, but this right here, the reason I say this is controversial is because I used AI to make the hook. This is obviously a fake video. Well, I guess not obviously, but this is a fake video. It's an AI video of somebody getting shoved to the ground, and let's go and let me show you how I weaved it in.
TikTok video has gone viral, showcasing a man attempting to scam a buyer, but
Scam the out of his gym, bro. Okay, and then we go on to do a skit. So the beginning of the video is controversial because of a couple of things. Looks like somebody, like maybe a news anchor is on there talking about how someone is going to try to scam somebody or they got caught on camera. Another thing she said was, the AI said was, the TikTok video has gone viral. So there's social proof there. People think other people are looking at this viral video, so they're going to keep watching. Which helps with watch time, which is good for the algorithm, which pushes it to more people. And lastly, the last thing, visually doing something throughout the video. I didn't add all the examples I wanted to add on this, but I did add an example of a video that I've done where I kind of go over this. So whenever I say visually doing something throughout the video, a popular way of doing this is through cutting fruit while you're talking about something. In this instance, it was me showing the product throughout the video and explaining it, and somebody who's watching this is kind of like, what's he wearing, what's he got on there, as I'm talking throughout the video, and that helps with watch time, which means it gets pushed to more people, which means the video doesn't stop at 200 views. Those are the different things that you can do. I wish I could go more in depth on this, but there's not, you know, we're running out of time here. If you got value out of this video, please leave a like, comment if you have any questions, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow my YouTube and get more subscribers, so subscribe if you find this interesting and want to see more content like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.